Hello and welcome to my channel, Israel Online Maths. In this video, we are going to solve this given problem on the board. It is very simple. We are told that in the diagram above, which is this diagram, that AB, this is the line AB, is parallel. Remember, this is a sign for parallel. So AB is parallel to CD. So this line is parallel to this line. We are then asked, what is the size of the angle marked X? That is this X here. What is the size of this very angle X? It is very simple to solve. First and foremost, remember the knowledge of corresponding angle and vertically opposite angle, because those two knowledge will help us to solve this given problem. This angle here is corresponding to the angle here. Assuming I call this angle A, that is this angle. So this angle A is equal to 52 degrees, because angle A is equal to angle, this very angle here, which is 52 degrees. And what is the reason? The reason is because they are corresponding what? Angles. And corresponding angles are equal. How do we know corresponding angles? Very simple. Anytime you have two parallel lines, okay, and you then have a given line that cuts those two parallel lines, that given line is called a transversal, okay? So any angle that cuts on top of this parallel line is corresponding to the angle also that cuts on the same top of the other parallel lines in the same transversal. Therefore, the angle A here is on top of this given parallel line, and this other angle here is on top of this other given parallel lines. And because both of them are on top, and they pass through the same transversal, we call these two angles that they are corresponding to each other. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. So if here is 52, this angle A should also be 52. Then another thing you should know is that, assuming I call this angle here angle B is equal to this angle A, okay? And therefore, angle B is equal to what is angle A is 52. So angle B is the same 52 degrees. And what is the reason? The reason is because they are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. And vertically opposite angles are equal. How do you know vertically opposite angles? When you say something is opposite to each other, it means that thing is facing the other thing, okay? So this angle A is facing directly this angle B. So they are vertically opposite angles. And therefore, vertically opposite angles are equal. So whatever angle A is the same thing as the angle B, because they are vertically opposite. With that just said, we have succeeded in finding angle B. Therefore, I can add all the angles that forms this triangle here, okay? Therefore, I can say angle B plus this angle X, then plus this 35 I have here, which are all the angles in this given triangle here, okay? And that is equal to 180 degrees, because sum of angles in a given triangle is totaled 180 degrees. Therefore, what is my angle B is 52, which we found already, plus this angle X plus 35 is equal to 180, such that 52 plus 35, okay, is going to give us 87. So 87 plus X is 180, such that if I make X the subject here, it will now be that 180 minus 87. What I simply do is to subtract 87 from both sides of the equation. And solving for that, I have that my X is equal to 180 minus 87 is going to give us 93 degrees. So this angle X, which we are asked to find, is 93 degrees. Don't forget to follow my page and to like this video, and as well to reshare this video. See you in my next video.